That's what I want to explain. You should give me a chance because you came, it was like suddenly. I promise that time that I will try my best. I can take you to my shop, I show you how I am working on it. Okay, you should just please give me few time until I come with my shop. After that, when you
it's not encouraged. It's only changing the tires. We don't repairing engine or filters or engine oil, anything else.
You cannot do that on the road.
Okay, if this is an instruction, we can. When we finish it, we never.
No, not the whole road. That's what I'm saying. Just beside this road because very soon I will finish. Not the road.
Hello Gambia viewers, welcome to another day on the operation. So today we'll be moving around KM and the operation will be based mostly on arresting. So we're just moving around KM today, KMC. See you later. So guys, so today as you can see we are arresting those that we have and we'll be heading towards Westfield. Yeah, we can handle the shop.
I am following your rules and
you are not. You are not compliant. You are not compliant. Come on, look. Let them look. Look at all of this. This vehicle is. Look at this vehicle. Is this customer's vehicle?
Yes.
This vehicle?
Yes. It's
Where is
customer. I can show you the documents.
Where is the customer? Because the customer will come and buy and go and fix it somewhere. But you bring the vehicle, park it here, walk in the vehicle, and you say this is not a garage. This is what is happening.
No, I don't fix here. I understand.
But that's what we are seeing.
Yeah.
Where do we normally take it? Sarakuna.
Let's
Take
go.
him to Sarakuna.
No, we are not wasting.
Take him to the vehicle.
Boss.
We are not wasting time. Acha.
Take him to the vehicle, please. Find this vehicle. Then we can talk. Let's go.
خلاص شوية يعني.
So one machine has been arrested and he's been taken to the vehicle. They are going to the vehicle and they are taken to the station. We will be moving forward to the next stop.
Okay, this is meant to be inside, like I told them. And what happened over there?
So, we don't do like, it's a shop. So when people come, we give them we give them what they want, and the second thing is that we give them another one. But normally we're not supposed to work here. So most of the work is done at the back now. So we did that already. Yeah, so one is supposed to go at the back. We're working there actually right now, but then yeah, I believe one has to be leaving here. I mean, one has to leave here soon and I have to. So what we're doing here, we're giving this one 1 month. We've been here the first week. The first 2 days we were here, and it's tomorrow is the 19th, I guess, around that, about 1 month. So what we are doing now, anybody we find in a subway mechanic work, so we've been the head of the unit or the head of the shop, and we'll be going to the hospital for us. Alright. So non-compliant, people in the compliant. Alright, that's fine. Please, you can join. So, give me a moment, let me just look at the back. I'm not going to alright. You can stay, you take a while later.
If we find out, we ask who owns it, nobody claim for ownership. We demolish it. I'm the first person to mind the car. Bro, I'm not. When we find out who owns it, nobody claim ownership. That's why it was demolished. But what belongs to you? I'm going to extract and you figure out. Why? Sorry about that. My apology. Sorry for any inconvenience.
I'm sorry. I love the crown, that's why. But I'm stressed, brother.
No, it's okay.
I'm going to give you 24 hours per day. Oh, my God. I'm over 22 back.
Sorry.
I'm driving 23 years.
Sorry.
Brother, man, several garage time here, 7 years. I'm going to get $1,000. I'm going to get $1,000. $2.
Our apology, please.
I said, demonstration country, I am Istanbul. You know, so I take every time. So they can say to my boss,
the time before we used to work here, the time they came to me, I was trying for place. I took this place in Manila. If you see there, I put sand and concrete. Yes. They are working on it. Later on, I will not be working here at all. I will be working inside the shops. I can show you the place.
problem is,
yes.
you are currently working at the shop.
You are right.
You said people should not work at the shop. The shop is for sale. You buy, somebody come buy and go and work somewhere.
Yes.
So for that reason, we are going to the station. So that's what we are doing.
Yes.
Because someone compliant.
No problem. Okay, there's no problem. But that's what I want to explain. You should give me a chance because you came, it was like suddenly. I promise that time that I will try my best. I can take you to my shop. I show you how I am working on it. Okay, you should just please give me few time until I'm done with my shop. After that, when you came, okay, anything you have problem at that time, you can go ahead. But for right now, give me a chance until I arrange the show. I can take you there. You see by your eyes how I'm working on it.
The issue is,
yes,
we've been here almost, this is the 4th week.
Yes.
Since we came here. But the first week we were here. And we said to all shopkeepers that this is a shop. We said a garage. They agreed. They said this is a shop. So why are you people working here? They said they work, people come here and want to buy and change. We said don't do that again. We all said yes. So we are here now monitoring to see whether people have complied or not. So anybody who did not comply, we are arresting the person and taking to the. So you cannot be at the shop because it already started.
But if I don't comply with you, I will not go rent a
No,
shop
that's what
and
it means.
start to work.
That's what it means. It means you have to comply. If you had complied, you would have stopped the work and worked on your shop. When it is finished, there's nobody client you have to take into the shop to change. But at the moment, as long as you are doing it here, it means you have not complied.
Does mean I should stop my business totally?
No, you are selling now.
How many of
I
you
cannot
are
sell.
here?
You have, it's a shop.
Here?
Yes, in this shop.
How many what?
How many of you are here?
How many people are working? You have many, maybe eight.
Okay, hand over to one and join us.
Yes, let's just go to the station. Then from there we can discuss the
No problem.
All right, please.
No.
Join me.
No problem.
Boy.
It's gonna be a yes.
We all agree. But today, we are seeing many people are doing the same thing, including yourself. It's changing tires.
It's a true urgent this is from the president. Wallah, they call me to change the tires. Where can we change the tires? There is no place if we
Then
don't.
it's not for car changes, it's for some. You are here to buy
That is a
tires
shop.
and go.
No, we can sell tires and batteries and engine oil.
You know what I'm saying? If it is that you are selling,
Yes.
but is it a garage?
It is not a garage. It's
Exactly.
we're only changing the tires.
This is what I'm
We don't
saying.
repairing engine or filters or engine oil, anything
You
else.
cannot do that on the road.
Okay, this is the instruction. We can. When we finish it, we never do it outside.
So what we are going to do today is
Yes,
we are
sir.
not giving excuses to anybody. What we are doing today is we are arresting anybody we found on the act. And here we have, just like the other vehicles there, we are taking the non-responsible to the station. And the same thing we are going to do. We are going to go to the station and we can discuss it.
There is nobody there. You can arrest
For
me.
somebody to take charge.
Okay, no problem. When I have somebody, I can go with you. No problem for me. I can go.
So you want the vehicles come, you can go.
I'll go with them. No problem.
So step into the vehicle.
Then I'll go. I can't leave the shop until my boy
No, we are
comes.
going now.
I come with you, but I can't leave the shop, sir.
Then get somebody to do that. I think these two are sitting here working for you.
No, there's nothing. Let's go to the store.
We cannot wait. We don't have time because we are moving.
Okay, I go with you. No?
Let's go.
Only our private car there. Nothing else. Everything is inside the garage.
Stop sell tires. But when they sell tires, they try and repair them. People start doing that on the street, they're going to
One month now, he came and he talked to you guys. He told you this place is shop, not garage. So you should not do any garage work. And like other people, we also found you doing garage business. You are replacing tires and all that. And these are things that we are told not to do because it's a shop, not a garage. So for that being as it may, we are going to the police station. Okay? Alright. So guys,
Yes, what do you need?
officers, go with them to the vehicle. So we don't want, you go, then the boss will know we are taking
Yeah, I think the police fear of
you. Understand? So please, let him go with this guy. Yes. Anyway, whatever you guys want to do, you can do it. I just love you.
What money?
That's the problem.
Why not?
The loan.
less than 2 hours or 3 hours so that all of them can move there. But the problem is, when I walk, if I am on this side, before the next side, they will come and put, they will have come and put everything there. They will come and put everything there. Sorry.
Awa.
Yeah.
So if you are now in the place and enter inside the premises, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you can go to council and tell
No, that's what I'm saying. They are telling me right now, you people are pushing them to go there. If it doesn't get, this is what I
Sir, they are clearing the road. We don't want to see them on the road. So if they are entering there, you go to council and tell them that these people are disturbing them. But they are not going to occupy the place.
No, not the whole road. That's what I'm saying. Just beside this road, because very soon I will finish.
Let them leave the
not the road here.
We don't want to see them even within the road corridor. We don't want to see anybody there. Let them leave the road corridor, please. Let them leave the road corridor.
No, but this is an appeal. Less than 3 hours, 1 hour.
Sir,
I will finish,
sir,
please.
I cannot give you that assurance. Let them just leave the road, please.
Please, sir.
No, sir, let them leave the road. We don't want to see anybody on the road.
I understand that.
If we see them there, we're going to arrest them.
No, please.
So
This is why I came and appeal to you people.
Sir.
You give me only 30 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour. I will finish everything. For my people, you don't see them on the road.
I honor
Please.
your appeal, but we are not going to.
Only, okay, give me only 2 hours. Only 2 hours.
Let them leave the road. We don't know wherever they are going to. But if you are clearing and they are disturbing you, go to council and tell council that they are disturbing you there. But we don't want to see them on the road.
I understand.
Yes, even in 2 hours you are telling me.
Not on the road. I want to
Sir,
I will not be
we
there.
want to see them there. We don't want to see them there. Please.
Gentlemen, please, me want to please, gentlemen.
Yes, I understand, but we don't want to see them there.
Please, gentlemen, help me 1 hour.
Hey, brother,